All right, great. Yeah, you can see him right here. Sam, thanks for coming down.
Thank you, David,
Samuel
for having
Di Piazza
us.
is the chairman of Warner Brothers, of course, leads the board of directors. We're going through the filing right now. It's quite voluminous.
It is.
But we were talking, I guess I want to start on really what is Becky's question as well, which is around this financing question, if I could term it that way, that the board had. Can you explain why you would not trust that one of the richest men in the world would not be there when asked to provide the financing for the deal?
Well, first, again, thank you for having us here to tell our story. And let's begin with the fact that Netflix made a compelling offer. It was heavy in cash, certainty of close, a high termination fee. It had all, and they responded to the operating issues that we were concerned about. Peace Guy had every opportunity to deal with that broad range of issues, and they chose not to. And ultimately, the equity stack is always important here. And to be very direct, nowhere in any of these proposals did Larry Ellison guarantee.
And that could have potentially changed the board's decision?
Well, obviously, the ability to deal directly with Larry if there was an issue to close would be critical. Otherwise, closing might not happen. And some of the proposals, and you've read them now, some of the proposals gave multiple ways for that equity stack to disappear. Now, he guaranteed it through an irrevocable trust at the last minute. And frankly, that wasn't as good as an investment-grade company that purported strong value, great response to our concerns of what it took to operate. So I have enormous respect, as does the board, for the Ellison family and for the Paramount company. They just didn't measure up on these bids.
Because, when many investors look at it, and obviously I've talked to many of them, as you might imagine,
so have we.
They don't see it the same way. I'm sure you're hearing from them to a certain extent. They see it as, wait a second, I got $30 a share in cash from one of the richest men in the world. He's saying he backstops it. The financing on the bank side seems to be there. I think it was Wells Fargo, Apollo. And $30 a share with what they feel is more certainty around antitrust, that it is a quicker and easier approval process. And they simply say, again, well, wait, you're talking about what? The possibility that he's going to empty his trust at some point and run away from this? I mean, they don't quite follow.
Well, our shareholders are thrilled at this point.
Well, they have to be very happy. And we're looking at, by the way, take a look at that, Sam. That'll make you happy, too, that chart. Yeah, no doubt. Although before Paramount came, nobody was happy.
But we've been at this journey for 3.5 years, delevering the company, and we knew there had to be change. That's why we announced the spin. And so when Paramount showed up, it became an active process. What is said on your show, you had David Ellison here, what's said there, what's said in the Wall Street Journal are nice to hear. What's important is what's on the paper. And now, I think, given our release this morning, our investors can look and see, why did we decide that we were not confident that one of the richest people in the world would be there at closing? And doing a deal is great. Closing a deal is better.